Hi guys, it's me OJ26 and I looked to what you said in the comments and you wanted me to show you my peace trucks, didn't you? Yes, you did. So yeah, let's get right into the news. So I've had this one for a while. I love it. Then we have this one. I like it. This one as well. What the hell? How's it been 40 seconds already? Wow. We have this one. I like it a lot. This one. This one. Well, this one. This one. And this one. And you know what the other one I'm talking about. This one. This was in my previous video. So it's China Truck and SWAT. Links will be down below. So yeah, guys, and peace. OJ26 out.